विकेट शॉट मिड विकेट का फील्डर नहीं दिलाएगा, वो स्लिप दिलाएगा।
MD Nitish Jain, slip coming off. The sun now shining, hands clearly moving.
Someone likes
विकेट का फील्डर नहीं दिलाएगा, वो स्लिप दिलाएगा।
भाग्यशाली रहे बल्ले।
One of the slips has been removed and this is what good comeback by Mohammad.
यही हम बात कर रहे थे, ये मोहम्मद और आज फिर वही करते हुए इससे टच में लग रहे थे। अंदरूनी किनारा उस टच सफलता बंगाल के लिए, मोहम्मद शामी के लिए। इस वर्षीय ये खिलाड़ी थे ये, क्योंकि ये विकेट गिरा अर्जुन आजाद का, जिस तरह की और एक बार हाथों से रखा। इस बार 48 पर 1 है चंडीगढ़ 7 ओवर के बाद।
Fazad Jung, meanwhile, this has been nicely nudged up.
आसान था अरसलन खान के लिए, काफी फाइन खेला और बाउंड्री और जरूरी भी है। 50 रन भी पूरे किए हैं चौके के साथ चंडीगढ़ ने।
Yeah, what a story here. It's in the air, in the gap, that'll be a 4, and he's looking good.
शॉट्स खेल रहे हैं जब जब मौका मिला है, ये अच्छी बात भी है क्योंकि इसी के चलते वो बाउंड्री मिली है इस ओवर में दूसरी।
Kashdeep, Mohammad Shami securing that much needed breakthrough.
इस बार बल्ला चलाई है पर 2 रन का कॉल किया, आसानी के साथ पूरे भी करे।
This man's generating the pace. Could see there was a nice little inquiry there by.
इस बार 2 रन जरूर मिलेंगे कम से कम।
3 between Arsalan and Vora. Arjun began well for his 31, put into bad.
Middle and leg stump with bread and butter, or like when the gap protection in the
Nicely, all is for 2. They'll comfortably get that. They'll maybe push for the 3rd and they'll push for the throw.
the left-hander. Well, look at. Oh, that's gap. Not quite on top of that one.
A good use of his feet. Surface. For the moment, you're not seeing much turn, so you can really.
Under Sunil Gavaskar. Oh, but not the distance, and he's out caught. Arslan Khan losing patience, getting the 2nd wicket here through Shahbaz.
Yeah, he advanced down the track, but he comfortable catch to the fielder at mid-wicket. He was positioned for that moment.
Get out. Timed. Beautifully timed. 4 runs.
तुषार जोशी ने बैकफुट पंच ठोका है इस इनिंग का इनके नाम। और ऐसे ही आपकी रन रेट अच्छी है, इतनी खराब नहीं है अभी तक, रहना बड़ा जरूरी है। कमाल की टाइमिंग है, एक बार फिर मनन वोरा।
And Manan Vora, look at that, really playing, stroking it so beautifully through the gap. Timing.
चंडीगढ़ के लिए काफी समय इन्होंने पंजाब के लिए खेला है, उससे पहले थे कोकिला बहन हॉस्पिटल मुंबई। ये ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा था इनका। इस बार थोड़ा छोटा गेंद था, 5 ओवर तो ऐसा एक आधा गेंद हो जाता है आपसे। मेहनत कर रहे थे, इंजर्ड थे, उसके बाद से फर्स्ट क्लास में आए, परफॉर्मेंस की।
Chal Bhatti coming on, another slow left arm spinner, young man, 20 years.
वो कैरियर के शुरुआत में थे। ये टाइमिंग इनका ट्रेडमार्क रहा है हमेशा से। अच्छी अप्रोच इनके बल्ले से। बात कर रहे थे कि शुरुआत में जब वो टीम में आए थे 2010-11 में, तो इस बार छोटा गेंद था, आगे हाथों से खेला। 141 पर 2 है चंडीगढ़ 27 ओवर के बाद। और अभी तक 6 गेंद और भाटी आए अगला ओवर लेकर। पहली मनन वोरा का स्ट्राइक रोटेट करना, तुषार जोशी साथ निभा रहे हैं। आगे हैं मिखाइल वासवानी, किशोर जी को थोड़ा विश्राम दिया, पे लेके आएंगे ना बल्लेबाज को, फिर मौका बन सकता है। जहां छोटा गेंद था, यही मैं बात कर रहा था।
Vacant area, not
छक्का जड़ दिया है अपनी इनिंग का। लेगो आपको
because the ball sat up nicely at a good height. Wakening of it, and this partnership is growing. The 150 comes up as well. 150 taken away, finds the fielder at cover sweeper. Yeah, you talk about it.
यहां एक मौका था और जोशी एक बार फिर सफल नहीं हुए.
Yeah, first wicket for Mukesh Kumar in the last 2 games. Yeah, just trying to go too hard, throws it away. Tushar walks back for 20 in 28. Chandigarh 18 in his list A career, walks out to bat. Early days for him.
और ये मौका था, छोटा गेंद था, जगह भी थी वहां पे.
This is the hallmark of an experience. Manan Vora knows his template and how to go about playing. You know, made a good point about Mohammad Shami coming in. The great string. He'll get a couple of runs here. That's what we've seen.
बैकफुट पंच 175 पर 3 है चंडीगढ़ 33 ओवर के बाद. आउट करने का, पर अब देखना पड़ेगा जब करेंगे चंडीगढ़ कहां पे फिनिश करते हैं, उसके बाद कहां से शुरुआत करते हैं बंगाल.
Go. This is what happened between Bengal and Vidarbha. Vidarbha batting first got beautifully struck. The moment it hit the bat, you sense it. He's looking solid in his defense, sublime in his attack. Over here, just wide of the fielder at backward point, and that's Pedal. Yeah, gets a top edge on this. That'll race away from get on the offside previous to this, and now one behind the wicket. Vora looks set to glorious and a painstaking journey for him in this innings, and he's
and will still run shy of the 3-figure mark. But what I find,
that's going to be 4. Poor delivery has also come to maybe just.
yes, just maybe get the feeling Akashdeep is trying. He is going from strength to strength. Looks Jagdeep Singh, Nishunk Birla, all not many games also that they and the skipper. Oh, this time Manan White. Oh, the ball just trickling over.
Was just coming to that. He's having an off. Don't want to be too hard on the wicket keeper. It's that kind of a schedule where you're playing. 208. He's got a lot of height on this one.
There was the elevation, not the distance. And what a fine catch there.
Gently pouched by the end of it. And that's Sudeep. And what an innings by the captain. It had to take a great catch to bring. And
yes, really wanting to get a move. Elevation, not the distance. And what a fine catch there from Garami. Knock, 122. He goes caught by Garami of Shaba.
पर चिंता का विषय ये है, इस बार बैट के बीचों बीच आया है.
This time following it up with a fine. Ends that over. 250 up on the board as well for Chand.
विकेट गया, उसके बाद पॉइंट के पास से चौका. बल्लेबाज सैयद सैनी हरी किनार.
The runs now coming thick and fast for Chandigarh. Doesn't matter. Saini also now throwing caution to the winds. Abbas is bowled well. He's gone for a few. This time hitting him back behind.
आपको फॉलो करना है बल्लेबाज को. आपने उसको आम खोलने का मौका. चंडीगढ़ के लिए 15 गेंदों में अगर आखिरी बात करें 37 रन आए.
On the first power play. Once again now coming in the final power play. This time get and oh, this time a bit of football there.
देखें एक बार फिर से जगह बनाने की कोशिश की. वो पाँव का इस्तेमाल किया गया. कोलकाता में स्पेशल है फुटबॉल. ईस्ट बंगाल इसी के चलते सामने खेला इस बार.
And now helping the cause of Chandigarh. Once again he's for that one, Rahul.
एहसान रहता नहीं. खड़े खड़े लगी दोनों शॉटों में. और जो शॉट
Akashdeep and Saini continue.
रखी जाती है हमेशा वो विनिंग कोर्स के लिए.
This is carnage happening here at the Niranjan Shah Stadium.
जरूरत थी चंडीगढ़ को. जब जरूरत होती तब आप ये पारी खेल कोर्स के लिए. जिस बार इस बार कुछ अलग खेलने की कोशिश और कामयाबी हुए.
To lose, they have really want, but the Chandigarh middle order, lower middle order showing that. Oh, look at that once again, inside out, beautifully. Ends the over, 44 gone. Chandigarh at 290.
पर भरोसा दिखाया उन्होंने. इस बार बैठा है आपके पास और वो काम कर दिया जो काम करते रहे हैं भारत.
Yes, really, nothing wrong with the shot. They couldn't quite get the distance that he wanted, and straight down the throat of Taranpreet, gone for 15. Chandigarh 293 for 5.
के लिए ये कट शॉट की फील्डिंग वहां पे, पर वहां पे जब थ्रो कर रहे थे
He somehow managed to stop it, Mukesh Kumar, and this is
इस बार और एक आसान सा मौका था मुकेश को, ये सफलता।
In OD 50, but look at this for a catch. He had to keep his eyes, get underneath it, went the reverse way. Signs of absorbing pressure. Sanyam walks back for a well-made, but Chandigarh put into bat. The captain led from the front, getting 122, all the bat. In fact, a couple of days ago, one of the surfacing low as well. Good cricket here. A couple of doubles, just helping the cause of the batters.
यहाँ पे इवन बाउंस रहेगा, जो हमने देखा भी है। जब बल्लेबाज करने पर यहाँ पे इन्होंने शुरुआत कर दी है, पर ये एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है, कोई मौका नहीं था ठाकुर के पास।
Seen this delivery underneath the bat. Nikhil departs for 8. Chandigarh 316 for 7.
वो इंप्रूवमेंट आप पे दिखती है, पर यहाँ पे मुकेश कुमार के पास वो मौका, एक और उनके नाम, और 8वां झटका यहाँ।
Well, the art and the artist on this. Jagjit Singh departs for 4. Chandigarh lose their 8th wicket. Cheeky, and that's been edged, and a 5 for. He's brought his experience and accuracy.
था नहीं, पर इन्होंने खास बनाया इस पिच को आज।
Amazed for the kind of runs he's amassed consistently. This is on a batter of his talent, potential and consistency.
Not to make the cut in the longest format, get 4 runs in fact. And playing it off his hips, very fine. You can't really set a feel for that. Oh, really? Abhimanyu Easwaran. Statistics persistent. The third time, I think the child had.
Nice hit in the gap, caressed beautifully. One Bengal cruising along in this.
Magnificent strokes. The first boundary of the blade of Easwaran. He's not had his elegance personified. Yeah. The way of, rather.
Alertness. So many things factor in. He's a very. He's looking good. I'll tell you what, talk about the elegance of a left-handed batter and anything loose.
Feeding him on his strong point. Short and wide. He did in the fall. It looks to be in cracking form.
Talk about the in-between. That's again beautiful. That's again beautifully driven. Swan through covers, an elegant cover drive.
Looking exceptionally good. Time he tried to bowl the fuller length, pitching it up. So beautiful. Oh Lord, a batter proud. Someone of the stature of Sunil, straight as an arrow. Ends the over. Oh, this is a gift. Down the leg side, has such deliveries. And almost a boundary to us.
शुक्र है किशोर जी, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे मौका था। ये खिलाड़ी, ये कप्तान है इस टीम के लीडर, जिस तरह से मनन मोरा ने पारी खेली, बात
22 डॉट
रखने की कोशिश की, इसलिए वो कैरी हुआ नहीं यहाँ पे।
It's the 50 of. Oh, this is very deliberate shot, but played deliberately, played late.
थोड़ा रखने की कोशिश की, इसलिए वो कैरी, और अलग अंदाज में बल्ले वहां करेंगे, प्रेशर बनेगा तभी आप वापसी कर सकते हैं।
Apart from Chandigarh, Manan Vora. Once again, look at that. Look at the way he found the.
के बल्ले से कमाल। और चंडीगढ़ की जाएंगे तो प्रेशर बल्लेबाजों पे आएगा नहीं। अगर डॉट बोले वहां करेंगे, जैसे जैसे विकेट खेल रहा है उतना बाउंस मिला यहाँ पे। एक बार फिर ईश्वरन के बल्ले से
That occasion, but look at that cracking square cut. Once that was past the fielder in the infield, not long before Bengal would.
ट्रस्ट की जो हम बात करते हैं, ट्रस्ट आना जरूरी है कि जो आपको समझा रहा है वो आप समझ। बंगाल क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के वो साथ अपने 50 रन पूरे किए हैं अभिषेक पोरल ने, और कमाल की
A magnificent knock by Abhishek Poral. The Chandigarh bowlers have really been taken standing tall, just caressing the ball.
यही क्लास आपको जब आप बड़े प्लेयर से बात करते हैं.
Wonders at the highest level, they know what it takes. Yeah, this is also one who is so really
साइड पे खेलते थे. हमने लोगों के घरों में जाके वो मैच पर भी कमाल का चौका और लगातार रन्स आते.
He's played all the shots in the book today. Classical drives, they've also been the pull. And what an innings.
इस बार जगह थी और करते हुए ईश्वरन एक और चौका लिख लीजिए.
He knows exactly how to execute those strokes. Time. This is magnificent batting. Abhimanyu Iswaran. Oh yes, departs quite against the run of play. And
साहब से कि आप पावले में लेके आइए स्पिनर. साझेदारी बनती. टॉप एज लगा, वहां पे कोई गलती की नहीं डांडा ने. कुछ नहीं अपने आप को बोल सकता, पर यहाँ पे थोड़ा छोटा की ये चौका ले लिया है यहाँ पे.
For runs. This time using the depth of the crease, playing had to beat the fielder inside the ring behind the wicket. There again beats the fielder cup, and with those 2 runs, the 100 as well comes up for Bengal in the 30.
यहाँ पे कि मैं विकेट ले सकता हूँ. अगर पोरल को आपने आउट कर दिया फिर
Yeah, good use of his feet. Straight to the fieldings, delighted. And Garami was looking, ends up dismissing, rather departing.
well, Garami there couldn't spell, comes back, picks up a wicket. Garami gone. Oh, gets a 4 there. Just about that bounce, but really on top of the bounce, he played it so really nothing wrong about that delivery on that occasion. 17th boundary in the innings.
Cries of catch it, fielder circling around it, puts away from him. This has turned out to be a good over. 11 runs coming off it. It's 1 foot.
Ball direction using the height of, and look at this, launching into, he's spoken up so highly.
Coming to the fore. Tossed up delivery. His eyes lit up. One up in the circle. It was a minimum risk shot the moment he... I wouldn't mind a couple of tossed up deliveries. Don't mind.
From the other, Abhishek getting the singles, batting very, very sensibly.
कप्तान आउट हुए, उसके बाद ये देखिए स्ट्रेट ड्राइव. ये कमाल का शॉट. ये लेटर लिखकर लेकर आए थे कोच साहब को दिखाने के लिए कि आज मैं 100 बनाऊंगा. और
Himself was batting well, rush of blood, and running the other way, but he held on to it. So Centurion Abhishek Poral gone for 106. Bengal 186. This one really, when he played it, he knew that he was in trouble. And then after 29 overs, 188 for 3. Taranpreet, he's bowled well, 3 overs, 1 for 11. Oh, this is not very good bowling. Pull shot for a boundary.
छोटा गेंद करते हुए इस बार वो टाइम अच्छा, इसलिए आसानी के साथ वो बाउंड्री भी प्राप्त की है यहाँ पे.
Cut away in the gap. What a way.
मेन गेंदबाजों की तरफ जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ऐसी आसान सी गेंद.
A very good passage of play for Bengal.
और इस मेन गेंदबाजों की तरफ जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ऐसी आसान सी गेंद.
A batter, an all-rounder who's done well across all forms. Over here, Bengal in search of their second win in 3 games. Chandigarh still to find that. This has been hit with some authority. Are looking very good in the middle. And Bengal.
और लगातार खराब बॉलिंग होती हुई यहाँ पे कि मोहम्मद शमी और मुकेश कुमार जब गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे वो यॉर्कर
Reflections and all that nicely. Prove costly. And this will fetch 4 as well. Smartly done by Shah.
गेंदबाज को बॉल पड़वा रहे कि वहीं कीजिए, मैं वहां से चौका मारूंगा आपको। से चौका खेल आ रहा है आपकी गेंदबाजी में।
Yeah, picked away. Protection in the deep, one bounce. The jersey in 3 figures. The rest all have it in 2 figures.
देखिए फिर दोबारा से वो पहले ही प्रिपेयर है और इस बार भी टाइमिंग हुई है और रन बचाए हैं यहाँ पे टीम के लिए।
Oh, more runs here. 4 in. Hardik, substitute fielder, doing an 8 runs required of 72 balls, 7 wickets in hand. This time pulls it and pulls well. 4. Saw him earlier as well. Took 51 deliveries, almost consistent, except the.
What a way to get to your half century in that short and innings of his. His 14th list day 50, and he does it in a steep chase. Takes Bengal to a position of strength. That's another in that short and innings of his. Oh, he's just picked that up. And in the process, he'll also reach a half century. And he's just shown what he can do with the bat as well. Temperament and some carnage as well. Wasn't a fine half century for his side. Just when his side in 48. 7 wickets in hand. 2 batters in the middle batting over. Wow. There's height on this one. And that's safe. Anustub Muzumdar is putting on a show with the bat. With an air of authority.
The more you bounce, the high. Oh, once. Will he hold out? Yes, he does. So that's the end of Vishu Kashyap, the catcher. Vishu Kashyap using his arm once too often. This time, wicket region. And, not quite able to get the distance.
गलतियों से सीखना होगा, लगातार आप गलतियां कर गेंद एक और चौका, ये लगातार गलतियां की हैं इन्होंने।
Now things going, Bengal coasting along, but look at this, yet another short ball in the field.
शॉर्ट गेंदबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पे, एक और चौका लिख लीजिए इनके बल्ले। बंगाल गेंदबाजी कर रहा था ना मोहम्मद शमी मुकेश कुमार, बोला अच्छा किया था। एक और छोटा गेंद आसानी के साथ पॉइंट के ऊपर से बाउंड्री आई है, 3 चौके लगातार।